no slave.
Yeah, ho, 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 ho.
Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It touched me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we've been working on the box, getting everything ready. Brake kit on. So y'all seen Cadillac CT4 4-pot Brembo calipers, Z06 rotors. Anytime you run these, make sure you run a 1mm by M14 little washer. I got them from the parts store here in town. Ordered them offline or whatever, but my parts store had them here. Big Shot Williams Hardware. Got the Lone Travel off-road shocks in there, so that way we have a good ride. To the steam port lines up top. So I got it off a website, or off eBay, a little Chinese company. So I had to figure that whole line, everything. I got to play with it for a little while, figure it out. So got that on now. Now I start putting the intake on. So this pretty much relieves pressure from your rear cylinders because, you know, it's all the heat's back there. So to pretty much relieve that pressure and bring everything forward, cool everything down. A steam port set up. So I actually put the link and everything in the actually I put it right here. So that pretty much does all that. Keeps everything cool. Keeps your pressure off the heads and different stuff like that. So now I'm just putting intake manifold on. And then we'll be a little further closer. Water pump's coming in. So have all that on soon. So let's get in there. I like the way these look too. It's so clean. All AN fittings. Like I said, pretty much helps the heads and everything flow the way it's supposed to flow. Taking all that pressure. Leaving pressure as it goes. So
Pressure, pushing down on me, pressing down on you.
yeah, some springs in there, boy. So we got going on. Got a wire for the audio. Next, I got everything set for his air ride. John will bring me the switch, and then for now I'll be able to hit it. Make sure air ride works as it's supposed to. And then, like I said, I run the wires for his audio. I already ran the power, so all I gotta do is run the signal wire RCAs. Once that gets here, hook the radio up. Radio should be in today too. And bam, 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 knock everything out. Have them ready for tomorrow's festivities. We had a low rider picnic, low level. So everybody know me, know I'm part of that club. So, yep. So we're working on Kemp's car right now. It's a little toasty outside. This has been on my mind, so I had to tackle this first. That's my biggest thing. It started kicking me last night, and I was like, you know what? I ain't letting this win. I'm not letting you beat me. So everybody knows the type of person I am. I ain't letting something outdo me. So did it, got it on. Intake goes on. Bolt that down, torque it down. Bam, ready to go. And yeah, stick by just like that. It's on. So that's what the steam port looks under. So if you got a high rise intake, it's the best. You can't really use it with like a LS1 or the lower intake. You gotta use the high rise. So that's what it looks like.
Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
So luckily I ran the truck intake. So see how tight that clearance is. So that's how it looks. There it is. So it's all bolted on now. Just gotta get a cable throttle body now and get the extension wires. Not extension wire, but the connector for wires that pretty much goes to the injectors. So there we are. She's all together now, kinda, sorta. Still waiting on a few more things. Gotta do the full front accessories. Get a starter. Go ahead and get the AC compressor, and then put the belt on, and then the front end be ready to start going back on. Gotta get it powder coated before it goes on, so that's why the front end hasn't been on yet. But there we are. Gonna conclude this video. Just want to show y'all where we're at, what we're doing. So that's gonna be it for this one. Till next time, keep macking. Peace.
Well, slave. Yeah, ho, 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 ho.